Oh my gosh. We have an awesome spot here. Ah, we're gonna die. Just kidding. We're off to Goblin Valley, and we're excited to have our traveling companion Macy, and look, my wife Beck's with us. So it'll be fun. No kids. Not that I don't love my kids. It's kind of like a date weekend. It's kind of fun. The sign just said there's a crash 15 miles ahead and expect delayed, which means we may not make it to where we want to go in Goblin Valley until... Man, I hope that guy's all right. That was messed up. All right, well, we're past it. Now we get to go.
This is lit.
Hey guys, hopefully the wind's not too bad. It's a little breezy, but we drug our fifth wheel and didn't hurt it, amazingly, down this crazy dirt road, which I'll have to show you tomorrow because it's starting to get dark now. But we found this awesome site here, boondocking. Look at that.
This is lit.
Holy smokes. Just woke up. Well, I've been up for a little while. We have an awesome spot here. Look at how awesome this is. Look at that. Goblin Valley, just outside Goblin Valley State Park. Talk about middle of the desert, no cell phone service. Not super cold. It got chilly last night. It probably got down in the 20s, I think. Goblin's Lair. These formations are just so cool. It's like you're in a different world. In a different world, on a different... whatever. Hey, we're gonna check out some pictographs here. We were driving and the Temple Mountain Wash pictograph panel. Check this out. That one back there is 6 feet tall. At one time they said it could have been up to 8 feet. It's huge. Man, it's way up there too.